How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to be removing the nasty sticky residues that tend to show up on these Logitech Harmony remotes after about 5 or 10 years of plastic degradation. For whatever reason, the plastic that Logitech uses on some of their mouses and on these remotes turns into this nasty sticky goop. It ruins any consumer experience when using the devices because we have to touch it, and it creates this nasty sticky texture. This method should work on other electronic devices, but please do it at your own risk because we are going to be actually kind of removing part of the plastic, and as you'll see, there's also a risk of stamped logos or model numbers to come off. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and let's get into this nasty Logitech remote cleanup / fix tutorial. First thing you're going to need is an acetone based nail polish remover or straight acetone itself. Acetone is what we're going to use to clean off all that crud. It will take a little bit of work, but as you'll see, it works quite well. You're also going to need a rag, and I'd recommend a rag that's not going to leave fibers behind. Just rub and basically destroy with acetone and with sticky stuff that you're going to throw away at the end. This is just a scrap rag from an old golf shirt. This is what the fibers look like. It's very flat, it doesn't leave anything. You're not gonna wanna use a napkin because that's just going to leave napkin fibers and it would just make even more of a mess. So make sure that you use something that's not going to stick to the remote. It's actually pretty simple. You're just going to get some acetone / nail polish remover on your rag, nice and wet, and you're literally just going to start wiping. You're gonna go to town and you're going to wipe every single portion of that nasty sticky. And this will take some time because this is actually a pretty big surface area, but as you will see, the end result is fabulous. Okay. So here's a look at the remote after we are cleaned. Look at that, there's absolutely no stickiness on there. It turned out actually a lot better than I thought it would. I did not lose my logo. On one of the previous ones I did, I lost my Harmony logo, but I guess the degradation of the plastic was beyond this one. There's absolutely no stickiness on the rubber. It feels great. So this remote now can be used comfortably for the next couple of years, or until maybe this layer starts to degrade again. I know it was a simple fix, but you wouldn't know unless you know to use the right chemicals. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or alternative methods or tips, throw them in the comment section. I'm always learning, student of life. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.